Most people know about or have used olive oil. A less common oil made from avocados is also great for cooking. Both types have their own similarities, differences, and benefits, which is what we're gonna go over today. Hey everyone, I'm Taylor. I'm a registered dietitian and the wellness advisor at The Lambie, a concierge primary care practice in NYC. I'm going to go through the differences of two of my favorite oils, avocado oil and olive oil. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. What is olive oil? Olive oil is practically a miracle food. It's full of healthy fats, polyphenols, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Olive oil has a relatively low smoke point at around 350 degrees. It's best used raw, in sauces, dressings, or gravies slow cooked over low heat. Olive oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which helps fight inflammation, fuel our brain, and makes deliciously filling meals. Olive oil can be used in a wide variety of recipes, making it an essential kitchen staple. I always highlight the importance of a good quality olive oil. In our new video, Are Cooking Oils Bad For You?, we go in depth on different types of cooking oils and talk even more about olive oil if you'd like to learn more. Now, let's get into talking about avocado oil. Avocado oil is the oil that is extracted from the green part of the avocado, aka the pulp. It is used both raw and for cooking, where it's noted for its high smoke point. Due to its good nutrient profile and ability to cook at a higher heat, it's another kitchen staple I highly recommend keeping on hand. The main difference between extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil is their smoke points. Extra virgin olive oil has a low smoke point, where avocado oil can be heated to very high temperatures. A higher smoke point can be useful when sauteing or roasting foods. Even these cooking oils with a good nutrient profile can go from good to bad. Avocado oil has less flavor and is more neutral to cook with, while extra virgin olive oil typically has a stronger flavor, generally associated with savory dishes. Depending on what you're cooking, you can make the best decision on what works best. First and foremost is your taste preference. Second, you want to consider the heat level you will be using with this oil. For higher heat, opt for avocado oil. For lower heat or no heat, opt for extra virgin olive oil. At Haven's Kitchen, we're dedicated to making healthy, flavorful sauces. They're made with natural ingredients, are vegan, gluten-free, keto, and some are even Whole30 approved. To learn more about the Haven's Kitchen sauces, watch our video, Commonly Asked Questions about HK Sauces. Be sure to use a store locator to find them at a store near you, or shop online at havenskitchen.com. Again, I'm Taylor. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Haven's Kitchen channel. Bye!